Okay, this shouldn't be too hard for you guys. This is descriptive statistics, and this is 9.4 measures of center. So this is page 107 on your notes, and this is the 11th of May. So we want to talk about the mean, median, and mode range of a set of data. The mean is the average of the set of data. The median is the middle score once the data is put in order from lowest to highest. So you have to do that first. It's what a lot of kids forget to do for the median. The mode is the most frequent score, and the range is the maximum score minus the minimum score. So I'm going to do an example here. If you have those values, see if I can get it like that. 16, 15, 12, 6, 15, 20, and 21. If we do the mean, we add them together, get an answer, then divide by 7. What a lot of students will do on your calculators, you'll add those up and then you'll divide by 7 at the end. And what it does, it doesn't give you a sum, then divide by 7. It divides 21 by 7, gives you 3. And then you have some big number that makes no sense. This average should be between the lowest and highest number. So it should be between 6 and 21. You shouldn't have some number here that's 552. Would make no sense. All right, the median, the first thing you do is you put them in order. So you 6, 12, 15, 15, 16, 20, and then you work outside in. So here you work this number, this number, this number, that's the middle number. If you have two middle numbers, then you average them. You'd add them up and divide by 2. So if you had another number here and you got to 15 and 16 per se, you'd add 15 and 16 together and divide by 2 to get the number between it. But since this is an odd number in, 15 is your median. Mode is the most frequent. We have two 15s in our data here and here, so that's 15. The range is the highest number or the maximum number minus the minimum, 21 minus 6, and that's it. Mean, median, mode, and range. It's called the 5-number summary. Okay, so let's say we're wanting to do the 5-number summary to add this in. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to do that in another video. No, I'm going to go ahead and do it in this video. Then you have it all. All right, so the 5-number summary is, let's say we have this distribution of data, and it's in order as you can see. Okay, if we want to find the middle score, the median, then we move inward. So we move in, another one, in, and the 36 is the middle score. That's called Q2, the median. Now, what is the minimum? That's the first score, 24. So the minimum is 24, the median is 36, and the maximum score is 51. That's what you need to find first. Then you got to find Q1. Q1 is the average of these scores together. So we move in, and we take these two and we average them. That's Q1, which is now 29.5. It's called the lower quartile. To find the Q3, the middle of these, we average these scores from this side of the median. Okay, so we move in, and we average these two. It's the middle of this set of scores. So the middle would be in the middle of 41 and 45, or in this case, 41 plus 45 divided by 2 is 43. If you have a middle score, then you're all set. But you first have to find that median, and then you find the minimum, the maximum. Then to find Q1, which is harder, you take anything on the left side of the median and you find the median of that, or the middle of that set of data. In this case, we have to add these two, divide by 2. In this case, we add these two, divide by 2 to get the middle of this quartile. Okay, that's what it's called. The range on this one is 51 minus 24. Okay, and that's how you find what's called the 5-number summary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, good luck.